We about to go see the Magic versus... You're gonna have to wait. You gotta keep watching the video to find out. I just wanted to let you guys know how thankful I am for all the love you guys have been showing and helping me out on the YouTube channel. Whether you're family, friends, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Red Eyes. Nice to meet you guys. Let's see if this guy's okay. You good, sir? Yep. I don't like seeing people struggle and stuff like that. I know a lot of you guys probably hear me talk about that, especially animals, but yeah. Just wanted to make sure that the dude was okay. Sometimes the way people drive here is actually ridiculous. But anyway, we're on the way right now to go meet up with my brother-in-law. So huge shout out to my sister for hooking us up with the tickets. Well, realistically, huge shout out to one of my sister's regulars. His name is Rick. Real cool dude. Amazing vibes, man. Like I always enjoy hanging out with real down-to-earth people. So about to go see what this is like. I think it's been, I don't know how long since I've been to a game. Probably like a year or something, but who knows. My goodness gracious, this guy is snailing, bro. Like Gary the Snail. Alright, so we just parked up. Bro's rocking the Shaquille O'Neal jersey, throwback. I never seen downtown Orlando. Somewhat. So it's like a suite and you get hooked up with food and everything like that. So I'll show you guys what they got and stuff. These are the two that made it happen. This is my sister right here. My sister's great friend Rick, and he's the one who made it happen. So I appreciate it, boss.
Salad, pork,
chili cheese dogs. Is it gas? Let's see the reaction. Is it gas? On point. So I still haven't told you guys what team the Magic are playing, but if you think that I was gonna rep the Magic, I mean, T got the Magic rep on, but I can't be mad at it because Shaq is like the best big ever to play. But
I repeat, I'm not a Magic fan, by the way.
Nah, he's not. He's a Heat fan.
James Harden to stay under 28 points.
Okay, that's not a bad bet.
Bro,
that's not a bad bet.
They got all these 6-foot players. They got a midget, bro. Every team got a midget. That's where the half point comes in. If he scores, that's the 20.
So this is the first time I have ever been in, like, I guess a box. It's like a box or a suite. But get that side.
Anybody order ribs over
Get this side. Refresher though. What's the challenge or the bet that you did for James Harden?
Under 28 points.
James Harden under 28 points. I mean, Kawhi Leonard's hurt. I know my brother man, Dr. Kiltrine, is a Clippers fan, so I don't know, brother man. I'm gonna need you to comment down below and see what's up. It's honestly crazy to see James Harden's name on his jersey to be like this close. I'm not. If you ask me, ain't nobody out here better than New York. That boy T got some ribs. Some spicy ribs? Alright, we're gonna get the reaction right now. If you're ready to eat. You ready to eat? He's ready to eat. You gotta be honest though. You gotta be honest. Okay. Fire?
Thanksgiving recommendation right here.
They look good though.
And it got a little kick to it.
Let's get an update on that challenge. What's going on?
He lost his ass.
Yeah, James Harden
sucks. Yeah. James Harden.
Fuck James Harden.
Yo, he about to cook my parlay, man.
Nah, yo, he actually had some good bets, and everybody's doing good, but James Harden
Is about to ruin it.
if he scores 28 points, that's game over.
Thanks to James Harden.
I don't know. I think he might be pushing it out.
Yeah.
Wow, marching gore time.
Miami's finest, baby. The U in the building.
Wow. No, so if they score one more point, either team, he's gonna get how much?
I'm getting 40.
He's gonna have 40. Rick's gonna get 20.
Let's go, baby!
Yo, nah. Money. Got his money, yo.
I got my money,
Got
baby.
his money. He won his bet. He won that shit.
See that green light, baby?
He won that shit.
Let's go.
Yo, so we finished the game. We were just vibing. My sister's over there saying thank you, saying what's up and stuff. He won his money, so that was actually a W for real. That was actually hilarious. Even though the Magic did smoke LA, and I don't really care who wins because, I mean, seriously, but that was pretty valid to watch. But appreciate you guys for watching up until now. Much love, stay blessed, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You're legendary. Wait, no, we are so lost. We're so lost. There's nobody in this arena. We're so lost. Elevator trying to figure out which way to go, and we went to like practically the basement. This guy looked at us and said, "You good?" I said, "Yo, this is definitely not the place."